Chief Minister of Punjab Sardar Usman Buzdar today inaugurated Clean and Green Index Cityscaping Vihadi Times Square, Melsi Siphon Project and Danish School in Tibba Sultanpura during his visit to Melsi Tehsil of Vihadi district. The Chief Minister chaired the 32nd meeting of Danish Schools Authority and announced plans to establish new Danish schools in Bhakkar and Tonsa. He gave in principle approval to launch Honhar Punjab program to encourage best performing students of academics, sports, fine arts, and science and technology in the shape of cash prizes. He appreciated the performance of Chairperson Sumaira Ahmed. The meeting was attended by Provincial Ministers Murad Ras, Jahanzeb Khichi, Commissioner Multan, and authority members. Talking to media in Tibba Sultanpur, Usman Buzdar said Danish School Authority meeting has been held in a remote area for the first time and instructions have been issued to solve the problems. The PTI government has neither halted past government's projects nor stopped work on them. Work has been completed on the Orange Line metro train and it will be run soon. Similarly, the metro bus service has not been stopped. The past government closed down many projects of the earlier government in their tenure. He pointed out that work on the new Punjab Assembly building remained suspended for 10 long years. It was resumed in the tenure of the incumbent government. To a question, Usman Buzdar said motorway rape incident is shocking, adding one accused has been arrested while another perpetrator will be arrested soon. All requirements of justice will be fulfilled, he assured. The Punjab government has provided complete funding to Danish schools. It is public money and no one is giving it from its pocket. He said a committee has been constituted under Law Minister for carving out new tehsils, districts and divisions. Steps will be taken in the light of the recommendations of this committee. Later, PTI Assembly members and office bearers also called on Chief Minister and apprised him about the problems of the area. The CM announced that he will visit every tehsil to solve public problems on the spot. During the occasion, the CM also inaugurated Melsi Siphon project and started project of enhancing Melsi Siphon's capacity and SMB link canal remodeling. More than 4 billion rupees have been spent on it. Now an additional flow of 1600 cubic water to lower Bahawal Canal will be made possible to irrigate an additional 3000 acres of land. Separately addressing a huge public gathering in Fida area of Melsi, the Chief Minister said that Melsi is his home and he often pays visits to this area. Buzdar said he is a lawyer of people of backward districts and Melsi in Lahore. Funds will be given to the southern Punjab at par with other areas. The CM announced various development projects for Tehsil Melsi and a new canal having capacity of 150 cubic from Melsi Siphon to Melsi. He said funds of rupees 50 crore will be given in the local government fund of district Vihadi. 8 crore rupees will be provided for the completion of sewerage scheme in Melsi. A trauma center will be set up in Tibba Sultanpura besides setting up a technical college in Melsi. He said special grant will be provided for the beautification of Melsi, health and repair and construction of roads. Government will provide support to Melsi Bar Council and Press Club as well. An underpass will be constructed to facilitate the people of Melsi. He said people voted us and their service is the duty of the present government. Special attention is being paid on backward areas. Minister addressed the people in Saraiki language. He was warmly welcomed when he reached in Pandal. PTI workers and lawyers took selfies with the Chief Minister. Provincial Transport Minister Jahanzeb Khan Khichi welcomed and thanked Usman Buzdar on his arrival to Melsi.